Okhwelhana Womalha. Okhwelhana Womalha, chikondi chatha chikondi chaphwatuka. Angela, wandigwirisa twa mwana lero osegula mimba ali muthewera mupapa mudaipa soka iro. Wandifumbatisa mpweya manja amunda mbwadiratu mphepo ine nkusemphana ndi mpira ngati golokipa opanda luso. Ndiyankhulanji pano pakuti kusika mwakauzera amasaya angawa ndi misonzi ya chikondi chophwatuka. Okhwelhana Womalha. Okhwelhana Womalha. Where Angelina na makhwelane hiyo kiduela kawi enele opia enlukuluku wi indida okhwelane wi ho khale mwakale nkaro hanali vakani wi enele okihiela masoso yala wi kupuluweke murima kaulushuwa kilela Angelina damaduela khale vare wari wa mukwao tinakata na mandui damuere hizinonei mitori omwaramware aya Womalha wa Okhwelhana.
I'm sorry babe, iwe sangochitika takujendi brother wanga.
Of course Ampuwa Angela, we are world apart. Your dad owns a filling station, radio station, TV station, tea plantation. He was once a minister of information. My dad is in Bondo village, T.A. Mabuka in Mulanja, affected by devaluation. But what did I do, Angela? Lero chikondi chaphwatuka, chikondi chatha Okhwelhana Womalha. Chikondi chicha kulibe abale. Okhwelhana Womalha. Mutu mwanga mukuyangayanga chithunzi chakwa Angelina. Usiku uja titakumana mukolido kukoleji tinkaphunzira kuja ndinkaopa kukuyankhula koma udandivula chinzimu cha manyazi ndi mantha pondimwetulira nkundipyopyona pasaya langa ndi milomo yako yofufuma bwino ngati nthongo ya sima ya mtandazayo. Lero chikondi chija chili kuti Angela, chikondi chatha Okhwelhana Womalha. Tiheni Okhwelhana abale kanyu tiyelapwa wiyayo erino yakadhokarira dhamoda mokumani waileke kilele ni Okhwelhana timasika ohakalala wiyene ilukuluku omale. Okhwelhana timasika wa Okhwelhana dho marida uchereni kuo ohiye mithori eripaipa imwinthoni timalonda opetilana Okhwelhana nko etuheyo tihene Angela Okhwelhana Womalha. The memories we created together are now making me regret. We always laughed together, Angela. Why am I crying alone? Did you not say we shared the same blood? Did you not say we were united by God? Yes, you said with you I shall never feel cold. You were there for my hands to hold. But I'm still surprised why we not get along. Why are you turning your back on me, Angela, as if you never slept in my palms? Why are you giving me cold shoulder now, as if you never kissed my lips with passion? And when I think I ask, what did I do? Okhwelhana Womalha. Okhwelhana Womalha, chikondi chatha, chikondi chaphwatuka. What did I do, Angela? I asked myself as my smile was blown away. For I believed we belonged together, but my thoughts were wrong as my life is left perplexed. And the question in my mind still rings bells. What did I do? Chikondi chatha, chikondi chaphwatuka. Okhwelhana Womalha. My eyes showed me the light of the brightest night. The love in a woman's eyes, the future of true love. My hands got hold, the warm arms of a woman. The smooth feelings in the moonlight, the ideal body. And for what I have seen, I don't know what to blame. But what did I do, Angela? Lelo chikondi chatha, chikondi chaphwatuka. Okhwelhana Womalha. Love was our daily song. Dreams were what made us strong. We drank from the wells of emotions for survival. Our hearts were what cement does to bricks to be inseparable. But I wonder what happened. China lichani chikodi Angela. Was not true love that we had. That surely drove us mad. With no shame you say go, but I still say no. As I continue to ask myself, what did I do? Chimolanga sindi kulidziwa chikondi kulibe. Okhwelhana, Womalha. The dreams we shared are now gone. Being so heartless to say goodbye. My true love for you only makes me cry, for I see no reason for separation. I just want to know, Angela, what did I do? Amata chikondi chata, chikondi chichakulibe amata, Okhwelhana, Womalha.